Each time you look up to the sky and see a star, you are looking at a sun in another galaxy. If you were on another planet looking back at our solar system, you would see our sun as a star. Our galaxy, called the Milky Way galaxy, has more planets than it has stars. In our solar system, we have 8 planets and 1 sun. Today we are going to learn more about the planet Jupiter, which is the 5th planet from the sun. Jupiter is about 483.8 million miles from the sun. It has 4 rings around it, and it has a radius of 43,441 miles. It's very large. In fact, 318 Earths could fit inside of Jupiter. It takes Jupiter about 12 years to orbit around the sun, or 4,333 Earth days. The length of a day on Jupiter is 9 hours and 56 minutes, so it is actually rotating very fast. Because Jupiter is so far from the sun, its temperatures are very cold, usually around -148 degrees Celsius. Jupiter is a planet that is mostly gas. It is called a gas giant. It's made up mostly of hydrogen and helium, which is very similar to our sun. The hydrogen on Jupiter is in a liquid form because of how high the pressure is there, and it's what gives Jupiter that swirling look that we see in pictures. Jupiter has the largest ocean in the entire solar system, full of hydrogen. Because Jupiter is a gas planet, it really doesn't have a surface to stand on. The planet is made up of gases and liquids that are constantly swirling around. If we tried to send a spaceship to Jupiter, there wouldn't be a place for it to land. Jupiter has huge storms. The biggest storm is the Great Red Spot, and it is 25,000 kilometers across. The Great Red Spot storm has been going on for centuries and centuries, and is big enough to hold 2 Earths. The winds on Jupiter can reach up to 335 miles per hour. Jupiter has a lot of moons, 79 to be exact. The biggest of Jupiter's moons is Ganymede, and it's also the biggest moon in our solar system. Ganymede is so big, it's actually bigger than the planet Mercury. Europa, Callisto, and Io are also large moons that orbit around Jupiter that have been studied by scientists. Jupiter has a really strong magnetic field. We can thank Jupiter for protecting the Earth from meteorites. Many meteorites that enter our solar system get caught in Jupiter's magnetic field before they even have a chance to get close to Earth. Of the meteors and asteroids that have hit Jupiter, they have created a faint ring around Jupiter.